Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about our new Rossi Easy Peasy Builder Gel. As always, start by prepping your nails. Push back cuticles and lightly buff the natural shine. Grab our brand new glass nail file to shorten and even out your natural nail. This is a very gentle file that does not damage the keratin layers of your nail. This nail file can last up to 1 year if you wash and sanitize it after every use. Next, grab a lint-free nail wipe soaked in alcohol to remove oils and filing dust. It's important to use wipes that don't leave fibers, which could ruin your mani. Next, apply Rossi primer. Paint a thin coat just like you would do with nail polish and wait a few seconds for it to air dry. Next, cover the natural nail with a thin layer of base coat. Get as close to the cuticle and nail edges as you can, but do not touch the cuticle. Cure for 30 seconds in a Rossi UV LED nail lamp. To extend the nail, grab paper nail forms, which come in a set of 100 pieces. Paper forms are fully customizable. We're going to do only a short extension to fix the broken nail, so extra length is not needed in this case. Roll the form between your fingers to create your C-curve. Remove the backing paper. Open the form and stick together the front tabs, making sure they are symmetrical. Set the form under the nail, making sure there are no big gaps between the form and the nail. Align the middle line of the form to the middle of the nail. Close the form underneath the finger. Pinch the form 2 numbers under the length you want to achieve. Now it's time for the star of the show, Easy Peasy Builder Gel. First, create the length of the nail. Apply product on the free edge of your nail where the form starts. Working from the free edge, spread out the product down your extension to create your desired length and shape. Cure for 60 seconds. Next, apply more product to create an apex. Apply a thin layer on the full nail. Next, you'll want to find the middle point of the nail and apply more builder gel. Spread the rest of the builder gel out towards the tip. This product has a thick formula that applies smoothly and evenly. Turn your hand upside down for 10 to 15 seconds for the gel to self-level and create a perfect surface. Cure for 60 seconds. Remove the form by pinching it together and pushing downwards. Then wipe off the sticky layer with the lint-free wipe soaked in alcohol. File and shape the nail. Then remove the filing dust. Our builder is perfectly crystal clear. You can see how clear it is after applying a layer of top coat. To create an overlay, follow the same prep steps and apply primer. Apply a thin layer of base coat and cure it for 30 seconds. Apply a thin slip layer on the entire nail. Don't cure yet and float more product in the center of the nail until the appropriate apex and structure has been created. Cover the free edge of the nail. Wait for the gel to self-level for a few seconds. Turn the hand upside down so that the product levels and creates a perfect surface. Cure for 60 seconds. Use a lint-free nail pad and alcohol to remove the sticky layer. Builder gel adds strength to your natural nail and will help your nails grow stronger and longer. If you feel like your application wasn't perfect, you can always perfect the surface with a 100/180 grit file or a 100/180 grit buffer. Next, you can apply Rossi gel polish top coat, or follow with Glam powder application. In this video, we decided to use our new gel polish from the Holo Dreams Collection. This shade is called Cancelled Flight, and it's a gorgeous holographic purple. Apply 2 thin layers and cure for 60 seconds between the layers. 2 easy coats is all you need to get a perfect opacity. Apply Rossi gel top coat onto each nail to prevent chipping and add shine. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Rossi Easy Peasy Builder Gel works great for adhering nail art pieces and rhinestones. All you need to do is put some of the gel where you want your rhinestones to go. Here we are simply using a toothpick to get a more precise application. Do not cure yet. Place the stones where you want them. Take your time, there is no rush. The builder will not set unless placed under an LED or UV lamp. When you're ready for your placement, cure the nail for 60 seconds. Do not apply the top coat again as it will dull the sparkle of the stones, which you don't want. Wipe the nail with alcohol to remove the sticky layer. Remember to use Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil. Apply cuticle oil regularly to keep your nails and cuticles healthy. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!